I'm sure you've heard the news about bees before, but have you stopped to consider their multiversal feats? Bees are not just tiny workers, they're the big bosses of our ecosystem. With over 20,000 different species, each bee plays a pivotal role in pollinating plants, accounting for a third of the food your mum eats. And here's a fun tidbit. Bees can recognize faces almost like humans do, so make sure they don't spy on you. But it's not all buzz and buzzing. Bees communicate by dancing. Yes, you heard right. Dancing, they emote at fellow bees to show where the sweet stuff is. Now, while they might not pay taxes, bees contribute over $15 billion to the US economy each year through their pollination services, so we might need to start taxing them. So next time you enjoy a crisp apple or a juicy berry, remember to thank absolutely no one.